Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to show you something I built off camera. If any of you guys like Burt Reynolds movies, you'll know this one, White Lightning. Built it out of the AMT 70 Galaxie kit, and everybody I see build this thing, they build it with the wrong color interior. They have it with brown interior, and the car, you ever watch the movie, it's blue. So the right color interior. Had to cut the wing windows out. It's got the wrong door handles, but that's just the way the kit is. The grill's a little different too, but yeah, had to get different tires for it. Use the stock wheels. Went ahead and definitely dirtied it up underneath. Yeah, it was a fun kit. As you may know from my short track build deal, group build, that I'm building 2 of these for a race car kit. But there's the motor, oiled up and dirtied up a little bit. So yeah, it was a fun kit. Definitely a fun one to do. So if you build this kit though, do not mess with putting the screws in, because they are too big, or it's like they're too big in the front and not big enough in the back. And yeah, it was a pain in the ass, so I just glued it. But anyway, well guys, there we go. Just wanted to show you guys this before I put it in the case and add it to the done list. But yeah, like I said, I built it off camera, so it's one of them deals. But alright guys, hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And guys, stay tuned for more RC stuff and more model stuff and just cool stuff in general. See ya. Have a good day.